Good morning, students. Today I am explaining locus 4 marks important sum. Given points A 5 comma 3, B 3 comma minus 2. Okay. What they find the equation of locus? Let P x comma y be any point on the locus. Any point on the locus. Okay. Area of triangle. Given condition. Area of triangle PAB equal to 9 square units. Okay. Area of triangle formula of mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay. Equal to 9 square units. P point x comma y, A point 5 comma 3, B point 3 comma minus 2. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 of mod x1 into, that means x into y2 minus y3 plus x2 plus 5 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 9. Okay. Half into x into 5 plus 5 to 10 minus 5y plus 3y minus 9 equal to 9. Okay. 5x minus 2y minus 19 equal to 18. Okay. 5x minus 2y minus 19 equal to plus or minus 18. 5x minus 2y minus 19 minus 18 equal 0. 5x minus 2y minus 19 plus 18 equal 0. 5x minus 2y minus 37 equal 0. 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. The locus of P x comma y is 5x minus 2y minus 37 equal 0. 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal 0. This is the required equation of locus.